at Silay proper, Silay City proper. Yan yung plaza nila. And then, ito yung Cathedral Santiago, Cathedral Silay City, Negros Occidental. Ayan siya. So, before ako mag-ikot-ikot, magsisimba muna ako since it's my birthday. And ang first priority natin is magsimba muna to give thanks for my 50 years of existence. Come on guys, simba tayo. Pasok tayo sa simbahan. This is my first time here. So, we're going to make a wish, a birthday wish. Parking. Going to take off my cap first. Ay, papasok tayo sa simbahan.
"50 years existence of my life. Turning 50 is a huge milestone birthday for everyone. It causes you to reflect on the years that have passed and to evaluate what you think is important and what is not, so that you can make the most of the next 50 years, hopefully, of my life. It's amazing how 50 years of existence can mold our thoughts. For me, turning 50 means letting go of some things I cannot change, things not on my control. Turning 50 also means realizing and embracing those things that you still have time to change. It is not too late. As long as we have breath, we must live life to the fullest and focus on the positive side. In life, there are ups and downs, but we have to embrace the goodness and lessons of our life journey. I thank God for giving me a wonderful family, my husband, my 2 kids, my siblings who are miles apart to me, my in-laws, especially my mother-in-law, where I experienced how to be loved by a mother. Again, I am looking forward for another years of my life. Thank you, Lord, for these 50 years of my existence in this world.
I'm here right now sa Silay Plaza. Ito yung tapat ng McDonald's. As you can see, ano pa rin siya, yung old building pa rin. Preserve lang nila, so hindi nila pinalitan ng design. And then sa kabilang side, ganun din, as in lumang-luma na. Yan. Silay is known for the mga heritage houses and buildings. So see, yan. Later, dyan ako magla-lunch. Pero as of now, mag-iikot muna ako sa may plaza. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Ito yung plaza nila. Ito yung plaza nila, and then meron ditong bantayog ni Rizal, and nakalagay is 1861 to 1896. Tapos doon sa may likod yung gym nila over there. Tapos ito yung fountain nila, kaya lang hindi nakabukas ngayon. So ito yung parang pinaka-plaza nila. And on the side, ito yung church, yung cathedral nila dito sa Silay, where nagsimba ako kanina before I go around here along Silay sa San Diego Pro Cathedral. It's 12:45 in the afternoon now, so hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Magla-lunch muna tayo dito sa may McDonald's. Yan, sa kabila. Diyan tayo magla-lunch. Matawid tayo doon sa may pedestrian lane nila. Kasi bawal tumawid dun saan-saan. So, let's go guys. Lunch muna tayo. And here we go. Let's go. Let's take a lunch. Good afternoon po. Ang cute ng color ng chairs nila. Yan, iba-ibang colors. Merong stripes, brown, yellow. McDonald's. My lunch for today's travel, chicken fillet. Inano ko yan ng mixed second match for 89 pesos. Tapos, itong kasama niya sa mikan naman, pineapple and fries. Okay, let's eat! El Ideal is the oldest bakery here in Silay City. Later, bago tayo umuwi, dadaan tayo dyan to buy some of their bestseller na mga breads or pastries. Sa kabilang side, so old building din. Let's go. Pupunta tayo doon sa isang museum dito sa Silay, ang the well-known Balay Negrense. Come on guys, let's go. Post office. They're all Silay Post Telegraph Office. Post office. Yan. Tingnan nyo po yung daanan. It's parang nasa old times ka pa rin. Yan. It's so very Hispanic. daanan. Pero right now, nandito na tayo sa 20th century. Another one, this one. Meron silang cafe sa loob. Yan. We'll go there. See. This is the Ledesma Street. Ang daming bahay dito na na old house. Like this one, no? Kaya lang sarado yata. So, hindi natin siya mapapasok. It's an old house too. So, by kay Ledesma, 1917. Build was 1917. So, tawirin natin para makita natin ang malapitan. Okay. It says here is Jose Pitong Ledesma Ancestral House. This house of Jose Ledesma is registered with the National Historical Institute as a heritage house. So it was built 1917. Yan. 1917. Hindi natin siya mapapasok because it's closed. Sayang hindi siya na preserve. Sirang-sira na. But, well, sayang. Ito yung Farmacia Locsin. Dito yung al 5 de Nobyembre. Yan. Dito yung mga revolutionary leaders. That's it. Yan. I think here it is. I think we reach our destination. Balay Negrense. I think guys, this is the Balay Negrense. And we're going to get inside kung pwede. At para matur ko kayo sa loob. See, ang ganda. I was amazed. Yan. Parang yung mga napapanood ko sa mga horror movie. Narating ko rin after ilang years. Napuntahan ko rin siya.